Hi everyone, this is Katya from Pacifica with Love. I'm happy to greet you on my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and please support me with a like if you like this video. So today my husband and I are going to the Winters Tavern. That's a bar and a music venue in Pacifica, and today they also have a chili cook-off contest. So you can taste different chilies, and you can also be a judge and decide whose chili is the best. So we're gonna go, and I would like to take you with us. So we're gonna try our first chili. It's number 10. So how is the chili? It's good? So it's rice and beans, right? And a cornbread. Yeah.
Number 10. Hey! Cornbread rice is number 10. Please. 10, not 9. Black table, 10.
So now we need to try number 8. So how is number 8? Good. We just tried number 8. It's all gone. It was so good. Now we're gonna try number 7. How is number 7?
Yummy chili.
Is it spicy? Not too spicy. Is it different from the other two? They're all different, right? Different flavors.
Yeah. Come down to the kitchen, year-round chili.
What did you put in your chili? What are the ingredients?
Just love and secret.
Oh, there's a secret.
Ready for 11?
Okay, well, you're the winner. Is it the first time you're participating?
Our first time. Yeah, first time.
Wow. Is this your family recipe?
It's our Chef Tim's family recipe from Cincinnati.
Oh, from Cincinnati. Wow, that's great. Well, good luck.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
I only know limited things about
So now you're eating number 11, all right? How is this?
Very good, yeah.
Very good. What it has some cheese, right? It has some cheese.
Not quite as spicy as the other
Yes.
ones, but
Now we're gonna try chili number 4. Yes. Sweet and spicy. What are the ingredients? Yes, please. Is this the first time you're participating in this?
No, this is I think my 3rd year in a row in this. I haven't won yet, but I did come in 2nd last year.
Oh wow!
So I'm in it to win it this year.
But
a lot of stiff competition.
I know.
Everybody's brought their best stuff out. But
What's
it's a
the
beautiful
secret?
sunny day.
Oh
in
yeah,
Pacifica.
wonderful.
Yeah.
What's the secret to your great? What's the secret to your recipe? It's really
I'll tell you
delicious.
what, the secret is my mother, because this is based on her recipe for a barbecue beans, and I changed it a little. I added a lot more chili, hot peppers, jalapenos, and bell peppers and stuff, but it's mostly her recipe.
Yeah, I love the sweetness.
Yeah.
It's
So
wonderful.
it's kind of like baked beans.
Right. Well, best of luck. Yeah, I just tried this one. All chilies we've tried so far were great.
But I'm not quite sure
I
who it
think
is.
we liked mostly number 10, number 3, number 4. It's now will be a very difficult choice. So I think we'll discuss with my husband and make a decision who we're going to vote for. John, you voted for number 10. Why?
More chili. I like the balance of spicy, not too hot, but enough heat to, just grab your attention.
Yeah. Well,
Chili is not chili without heat. If it
Heat,
doesn't
yes.
have any heat, we call it chowder.
that's true. Well, best of luck. Thank you so much. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Chili was delicious. Sorry, I wasn't able to render the taste through the video, but I hope that if you haven't been here today, that you will have a chance to attend the same event next year. This is an annual event, annual chili cook-off. The music was great, and Winters Tavern, so everyone's so nice and friendly here. So come visit this place sometime when you can, and we'll see who will be the winner, even though they were all great. If you like this video, please support me with a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time in more videos on Pacifica, Half Moon Bay, Bay Area, and beyond. Thank you for watching.